Hello, second graders, and welcome to Math Again. It is time for Big Ideas Math. We are on 9.7, and our learning target is add three-digit numbers. Now, this is what we were doing yesterday, but today they want us to try to do it without using the pictures if we can. All right? If you like the pictures and that helps you think on and how to do these problems the correct way, then absolutely use the pictures, and that's wonderful. If you don't need them and you think I can do these the standard way, then do them this way. All right. Let's get started. First, we're going to add. We're doing all adding, and we have two three-digit numbers. In each of these, we have hundreds, tens, ones, and we're going to start with the ones. Always, I want to start with my ones because when we have more than 10, like we found out yesterday, then we need to put it into the next column, the next group. All right, 5 plus 4 is a near double. That makes 9. 4 plus 5, similar. Because we know that we can add in any order, it's the same number. 5 plus 4 is the same as 4 plus 5, 9. And 4 plus 2 more is 6. 699. Let's go to the next problem. I have 3 plus 8. I know that I only need 2 more to make 10. So I'm going to take 2 of these in my brain, 2 of these with this to make a 10, and that leaves 1. 3 plus 8 is 11. That makes 1 down here in the ones column and 1 set of 10. So I have 1 plus 5, which is 6, plus 1 more, 7. I didn't get more than 10, so I just do this next column, the hundreds. 2 plus 3 equals 5. I have 571. 253 plus 318 equals 571. And let's go to the next one. 7 plus 4. 7 plus 4 is 1 more than 7 plus 3, which would be 10. 7 plus 3 is 10, but this is 1 more than that. So now I know it's 11. The 1 goes here. Then the set of 10 comes up to the next column. And let's take a look. I have a 1, a 2, and a 9. 1 plus 9 is 10. So let's add 10 plus 2. The 2 goes in this column, and the group of 10 comes over here. 1 plus 6 plus 1. 1 plus 6 is 7, plus 1 more is 8. All right, now let's take a look at this. What it says for us to do down here is compare the problems. How are they the same? How are they different? Well, let's look. They all have adding 3 digits. Okay? They all have adding 3 digits. That's the equations that we're doing. But let's take a look. I see that there's 3 and 3, 3 and 3. There's an answer, an answer, an answer. So we've added, but I see what the difference is. This one, I didn't have to regroup anything. This one, I only had to regroup 1 set from the ones. And this one, I had to regroup the ones into a 10 and the tens into 100. So what they have different is 1 had no regrouping. One had 1 regroup. One regrouping, and 1 had 2 regroupings. All right. That's the problems. That's the same. All right, let's take a look and go to the next page. We can do it. Look at these problems. All we have to do is add the ones, regroup if necessary, then add the tens, regroup if necessary, add the hundreds. That's all we need to do. 4 plus 8. I know that 4 plus 8 is 12. There's a 2 down here and 1 up here. 1 plus 8 is 9. Plus 3 more is another set of 12. So my 2 goes here and my 1 comes up on top. So I have 1 plus 1 is 2, plus 4 is 6. All right. 7 plus 7 is, that's a double, 14. The 4 goes here. The 10 from 14 goes up to the next column. 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 6 is 9. 9 stays here, and nothing comes up to the next column because it didn't get past 9. It didn't go to the next 10. 2 plus 2 is 4. Let's keep going. 1 plus 4 is 5. I don't put anything up here. There's nothing to carry. There's no regrouping. 2 plus 5 is 7. And 4 plus 3 is 7. Notice how there's nothing regrouped and nothing regrouped. None of these sets of digits added up to more than 10. So there's no regrouping if there's not more than 10. 9 plus 4 is 1 of the 4 is going to go up here to make a 10, and that leaves 3. 9 plus 4 is the same as 10 plus 3, 13. 3 down here and 1 because it's bigger than 10. 1 plus 7 is 8, plus 1 more is 9. And do I have to put anything up here? You're right, nothing, because I didn't get bigger than 9. So nothing up here. 2 plus 5 is 5 in my brain. 2 more, 7. There we go. Keep going. If I'm going too fast, if you are thinking, oh no, I'm not sure what to do, there is always the opportunity to pause, to go back, to look at it again. There are helps inside of the computer that you can look at and the online. And when you go to your practice page, there's the QR code with the boxes. You can go and click on that, and it will give you another way of seeing this. 3 plus 8 is 11. I've already done it over here. 3 plus 8 is 11. That's one set of 1 and one set of 10. 1 plus 1 is 2, plus 8 equals 10. Now that made it exactly to 10. 0 in the ones column, right? When I'm writing 10, I have 10 zeros in the ones column and 1 in the tens column. So my 10 is here. 1 plus 3 plus 2. 2 plus 3 is 5, plus 1 is 6. 1 plus 3 is 4, plus 2 more is 6. Simple as that. All right, let's keep going. 6 plus 6 is a double. It's 12. So I have 2, and then 1 comes up here. 2 in the ones column, 1 in the tens column, 12. 1 plus 9 equals 10 already. So I have one set of 10 plus 5 ones. That makes 15, or 5 in the ones column and 1 in the tens column. 10 tens makes another 100. That's what this column is. 1 plus 3 is 4, plus 1 more is 5. All right, we are moving right along. 9 plus 8 is, it's a near double. 8 plus 8 is 16, plus 1 more than that is 17. I have to come up here because I don't have 17 here. I only have 7. 17. 5 plus 5 is a 10, plus 1 more is 11. I come up here. 1 plus 6 is 7, plus 2 more is 9. All right, keep going. Notice how they took away our lines. It doesn't matter. If you want to write your lines in there, you can, but you don't need them, okay? You can have them there if they help you. If they don't help you, or if you don't need them, as long as you're writing neatly, then you don't need to write them. 3 plus 5 equals 8. Only 8, so I don't add a 10. I don't carry or regroup this. All right. 6 plus 8 equals 14, right? 2 of the 6 goes here to make the 10. And if I took 2 away from the 6, then there's 4 left. 14. 4 plus 4 is a double. That's 8. Plus 1 more is 9. And let's look at the last one on this page. 8 plus 8 equals a double, 16. 16 comes up here. 1 plus, 1 plus 7, and then 8 plus 9. Or, what can we do? Because we can add in any order, I can take 1 plus 9. 1 plus 9, that makes a 10. And when I can make a 10, then everything gets easier. 1 plus 9 is 10, plus 7 more is 17. The 7 in the ones column, and the 1 comes up here. Boys and girls, 1, 2, 3. 1 plus 2 plus 3, 6. Right? 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 3 more is 6. Any combination. I can add in any order. All right, let's keep going. That was page 436. Let's go to page 437. We can do it. These are more practice that you can do on your own. Let's see if we can find these missing digits. 2 plus 3 equals 5. The missing digit right here. 6 plus 4 equals, well, I know it doesn't equal 0. 6 plus 4 equals 10. So that's the 1, right? The 1 from the 10. I need to bring something up here so that it is this. 6 plus 4. The 10 is up here. The 1 set of 10 goes up there. I have 1 plus 4 equals 5. And then I need to figure out what makes 5 into 7. 5, 6, 7. Simple as that. You can do it. So the missing digit was a 2. Here we go. Next one. 7 plus 5 equals, not 2, it equals 12. So the 2 goes here, and the 1 is up here. That's what we're adding. That's the extra 10 from 7 plus 5. Then I have 1 plus 1 equals 2, but I need to get all the way up to 5. So what is going to equal there? I need to say a 3. 3 plus 2 equals 5. And then I come over here, 1 plus 1 equals 2. That's correct. And lastly, 5 plus something equals 0. Oh, 5 plus something equals 0? Equaling 0 by add, well, I can't add 1. That would be just 6. 2, no, 3 would be 8. 4. Oh, how am I going to get a 0 if I'm already starting at 5? Wait a minute. I know. Let's add until we get to the 10. 5 plus 5, add this, 14.